Hey guys, thanks for watching Precision Rifle Network. Joel here. So you're going to want to stick around for this episode because I have aluminum powder and an instant cold pack. What could I be doing with this? Some of you have already guessed this based on the intro, but I am making Tannerite today. So this is, of course, perfectly legal, legally obtained. You can just purchase these things through Amazon, and legally made in the exact same quantities and everything, the same ingredients as commercially made Tannerite. I just bought the pieces separately, right? So we've got aluminum powder is one of the main ingredients. The other one is ammonium nitrate, which you can find in these instant cold packs, like the little beads in here. As long as they don't get mixed with the water, they're just these dry little beads. They basically look kind of like this. I don't know. It's going to be it's going to be blurry. I'll just zoom in on it. But you mix those with the right quantity of aluminum powder and package it into a small container and then shoot it with a high velocity round, and explosive things happen. And so where this is stemming from, guys, is just kind of a day in the life of Joel. My wife comes to me, and one of her friends and her got together and they're like, hey, we want to do this like Halloween thing for the kids on Saturday. And each dad has to get together and come up with an activity or an event. And she's like, so I thought you could do something with the kids like that involves shooting pumpkins, but maybe you could make them explode. I was like, yes, please. Like, absolutely, I can make that happen, right? So I am going to mix up some of this, which I have never done before. So this could be interesting. You guys could like be front row witnesses to me blowing my fingers off or my eyebrows or something worse, So stick around for this episode, guys. We're gonna mix some of this up. I'm gonna show you how to do that. We're gonna put it in a pumpkin. We're gonna shoot it. Just a little bit of Halloween fun. So that's what's on the docket for today. Let's get into it. All right, here we go, guys. I look like mad scientist or drug dealer up in here. I'm not sure which. Hopefully neither. But anyway, it looks like a patriot just trying to have some fun for his kids on Halloween. That's what hopefully it looks like. So it took me 4 packages of the instant cold packs, emptying them out and getting the ammonium nitrate out, right? And that's what that looks like to make about 1 pound of the ammonium nitrate. And now I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of the aluminum powder and mix it really, really well in here. Just dump it in and then shake up the bag really well. And then we're going to probably cut this mixture in half, put it into a different Ziploc baggie, and then we're going to stuff it inside this pumpkin, and then we're going to shoot it in the backyard and see how significantly it explodes the pumpkin, and if a bunch of young teenagers would think that's super fun. So this is the really fine powder, aluminum powder. You can't use like a granules or anything like that, I'm told. It has to be the fine powder. So I'm going to use the handle of this guy. So I'm going to kind of pack it down. All right, dump that in here. Close this guy up. And play the shake, shake, shake game, I guess. Gosh, I can't tell you, this is my first time I've ever done this. I gotta tell you, I was really, really nervous even dumping this in there. I know this is a really stable compound and it's a super safe, quote-unquote explosive, but this seems a little sketchy to me. So mixing this all up, and I'll fast forward the video and get to the part where we blow stuff up for you guys. Half pound, Microtech, good for carving pumpkins. Really all I'm going to do is take the top out, make enough space for that, and we'll get going. Yummy. got the pumpkin carved out. I want to make sure that this is wrapped nice and tight. So I'm wrapping some gaff tape around there. A couple of spots just to make sure that it's compacted. I don't know that you have to do that, but it seems like the more compact the package. I don't know, when you contain an explosive, it goes boom better, right? You ever held a firecracker and you're just in the tip of your fingers versus closing your hand around it? I don't recommend it. So yeah, there's that. All right, that should be good enough. Let's see if it fits. No, but it'll be good enough for the video. All right, guys, half-pound Tannerite with the pumpkin that you see down there. See how it works out. Well, either I didn't hit it, or the mixture wasn't right, or something, because no boom. I thought there was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom. And again. I'd say we got it that time. Oof. There's chunks of that baby all over the place. Not much left. And in case anybody's wondering, didn't do much to my wood. So, fun times. All right, well, hopefully that was as fun for you guys as it was for me. Probably not quite as much because you're not doing it in person like I am. I'm super excited to let my kids and their friends try to shoot these exploding pumpkins on Saturday for the Halloween party. So again, if you were paying attention, obviously it's not a full video to teach you how to make your own Tannerite, but you can buy this aluminum powder. Just make sure it's really fine dust kind of aluminum powder on Amazon for not that much money, 20-30 bucks if I remember. And these instant cold packs contain ammonium nitrate. And so the mixture again was 1 pound of the ammonium nitrate to 1 tablespoon of the aluminum powder, and mix it up really well. And the pumpkin you just saw me explode was actually the mixture cut in half. That was a ½ pound. So plenty big boom to have a little bit of fun blowing up pumpkins with the kids. Guys, thanks for watching this week. Sure appreciate you guys sticking around. If you haven't checked it out already, check out my previous video just yesterday on signing up for Patreon. Sure could use your support right now, and it would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching.